Out of that accident, we received 92 victims to Naivasha Hospital, where 76 passed through the casualty, and unfortunately we lost 17 patients. Currently, we have transferred some to Kenyatta, 7 to Kenyatta National Hospital for specialized treatment. We have taken 2 to Nakuru Teaching and Referral Hospital. In Naivasha, we have admitted 9 patients, and 1 was referred to Kijape Hospital. Among the fatalities, 10 were from the bus and 7 were from the missing. We are doing all that we can. We are appealing to people who can give us blood to come to the hospital and donate. The ones in level 5 are stable, most of them that we have, and most of them have fractures, major fractures. That's why we are holding them. The others is we are keeping them for observation before we release them tomorrow. So far I don't have anybody in ICU. We thank God for that.
The county. And just the other day, we lost so many people through storm water at Eburu, also right. And we are so saddened with what has happened this morning when the accident occurred. So far, we have received a lot of people giving blood. Since morning when the accident occurred, from one, we have been receiving so many patients from Naivasha, sub-county and its environment. And we thank those who have donated their blood.
Kitu naweza kumbuka tu vizuri, mimi ni survivor wa hiyo ajali, na kitu naweza sema basi hilo ilikuwa enda kwa speed ya katikati, niseme kama hapo 50 kilometers per hour. Then kafikia mahali pa bumps, ile basi after kupita bumps basi karuka juu kidogo. Wanafunzi kule nyuma waka complain, tukadhani kwa maybe ni mistake kidogo. Basi ilikuwa inaenda kwa constant speed, driver anajaribu ku reduce speed inakataa, alafu pia ilikuwa mteremko. Kinaanza kumbuka tu vizuri, tuliambiwa kila mmoja wetu make sure umevaa seat belt, na vile tulivyoagizwa tulizingatia. Basi kutoka Kilifi kule basi ilikuwa sawa kabisa, ilikuwa haina tatizo lolote. Ambao sisi kama wana Magongo ya Pwani University tungaza mchezo wenyewe asubuhi na the hosts, alafu mchezo ungeenda hadi Sunday ambayo ilikuwa siku ya mwisho.
Kwa bahati mbaya ni kama basi yetu brakes zilifail, so the driver alituinform that guys, kila mtu wake belt juu ni kama alijua. And then after tumevaa alikuwa anang'ang'ana kuicontrol, anaingia kwa hizo pumps kama ita slow down, lakini bado ni kama haikuwa inawezekana. Wenzetu wameaga dunia, wengine wetu wako na maumivu madogo, wengine pia ni kama wamejeruhiwa sana, lakini tunaombea wenye wameumia watapona. Tulikuwa 62, tulitoka Kilifi saa 7 usiku.
Also calling upon the government from the Ministry of Transport. The CS should ensure he comes up with various measures to ensure the safety of our buses when they transport university students to their destination, not just university students but also high schools, because what we have seen today could have been avoided if that bus, the issue of mechanical failing, or rather the brakes, if it was well fixed, brake pads were installed, those kind of things, then this bus could not have overspeeded and caused that kind of accident. We want to see whether the Ministry of Transport can be able to be regulating how these buses are checked mechanically, not just brake pads. We also have how the engines can be checked, because even the tires, because sometimes a tire maybe can drop off on the road or something. I'd like also once again to call upon the government. There was a plan which Kenha had a solid plan of having a public-private partnership of expanding that road, specifically this road that has caused this accident. If it could have been expanded, then we couldn't have the bus having a head-on collision with that. Very many people have seen this road from Naivasha, Nakuru. It has caused very many accidents. Yangu tu ni kusema serikali iangalie hiyo maneno, hiyo barabara ipanuliwe ndio tusikuwe na vitu kama hizo.
We've had conversation with some various students, and they've told us that the bus actually had come from another long distance safari, and it was fine. So they also don't know how they lost the control of brakes. Driver tried to put the alarm that we are not okay, but it also failed. So ikabaki kuweka ile lights tu peke yake, because they saw the matatu in front of them. So you see the alarm of ile, it also failed. So they had to, yeah.